Good morning, Hobsters! Woohoo! What is everybody doing? It is Hump Day Wednesday this morning, and honestly, I'm trying to shake and chill right now. I woke up and it's freezing cold out here today, boys. Woo! I got my heat on, but my truck's not fully warmed up, so woo! Good morning, yeah, boys. Yeah, girls. Hope you guys are living the dream. Hope you guys are pursuing your mission here on planet Earth. So let's get this day started. Woo! Here we go. We are entering the Matrix, Hobsters. Be prepared for orbital takeoff. On a serious note though, this place is so big. On a morning like today, I don't even know where I'm going in here. They just told me to go to Lister. And dude, Lister means you can see this shit from space. There's so many houses in here, so gotta start looking around, boys. Find the buzz. Where's Waldo, dude? Where's Waldo? I'm pulling up to where we're working and I'm gonna park in front of one of these signs and it says Lister by Toll Brothers, future homeowner parking. Wonder how that makes me feel. Like, do I feel like I'm gonna be a homeowner here? I don't know, dude. Am I gonna be a homeowner here? According to that sign, yes. According to my mind, no. So, who's telling the truth? Crazy world. Crazy, like on a parallel dimension? Is that sign right? Crazy. How do you feel about your life?
So tired.
Why? Thought you're like a god.
Yeah, but not today.
You
You that trick off like a donkey yesterday.
Yeah. Well, how long did you guys stay there for?
Only till 5. And 2 hours for get home. And your dad told me, you are fucking lying. How is 2 fucking hours to your house?
Good morning, cabron.
Look at Miguel in the picture.
Mira.
That's Miguel.
Today, tomorrow, this is the best thing I do. Fuck you and the camera too.
This guy's a god. These guys are making the heaviest claims out here this morning, dude. It's insane. You know what I mean? He doesn't want to be filmed like claiming that stuff.
He's gay.
Like he's gay.
Yeah, everybody know.
Yeah.
Who care, right?
Yeah.
Now you can get married in the United States.
Here we go, Hobsters. We are pulling up on another project. That one this morning we couldn't film. The big boss was around, not my dad, the other big boss. So here we go. There's a crazy walkway going in at this facility, this household here. So, living the dream. I don't know what you guys are doing today, but hopefully you guys are doing something that sparks your interest or something that makes you stoked, or just at work, and hopefully that makes you stoked. So yeah, here we are. I don't know what this house is all about. It's big. I don't even think I'd want to pay the heating or air conditioning bill on that, but if you lived in there, you'd be P.I. to the motherfucking MP. Dude, I honestly don't know why I wasn't just vlogging that. I am so freaking good at excavating this shit. Look at these guys. Now they're putting this down. And then I got these guys over here at Toll Brothers Landscaping. All they want to do is use my machine. Get a fucking machine, boys. Get a fucking machine. Get him, boy. Get him.
All right, dude.
Damn, son. What's the claim, big boss?
Shit's fucked up.
We are back on the compound, boys, and it's going down out here. Remember I told you guys I was gonna work on this little thing? Well, look how much concrete I got up. Got this much more to clean up, which I'm gonna get into now. And then I'm gonna start excavating this. And it's gonna be epic, boys. Thinking we're gonna need to bring in the big dog to finish this project up here, boys. Yeah. Big dog. What's up, big dog? Oh, we are big dogging it now, boys. Woo! Yeah! Ride or die! So I got rid of the concrete, boys, and there's my line painted. Gonna try and make the wall come around there and then put bricks and reshape this area for the driveway. So we'll see how pro I am. Gonna get in that machine right now and try and shape up this dirt a little bit. So it's on. It's on out here, boys. I'm gonna get to digging and check in with you guys in a little bit. Woohoo! 45 years in the game. And you're that good with a rake.
Not too heavy.
Why?
I don't know.
Don't got a lot of teeth on your rake left.
No.
You know what they say when that happens to all your rakes? What? It's time to retire.
Ready to be on film.
Dude,
I was just practicing my lines. Sorry guys, you caught me in the truck practicing. What's up? What's up? I'm out here watching my dad pig. It's lit. Finally getting a taste of the construction lifestyle since my surfing career failed.
You want a real taste? Let's unload these caps. All right, here we go. Dream team. Look who's here to see you! Woo! Pound it. Ew. Pound it. Woo! Pound it. Ew. Yeah, boys! What are you going for?
Believe it or not, this one.
Dude, you're turning your back on LaCroix? Duncan would not be proud.
Dude, I'm not allowed to endorse either of these.
Dinner radical.
Spaghetti.
Not cock. Dude, hashtag Parm Gang. Hashtag Parm Gang. Dude, spaghetti dinner, Naomi? Spaghetti dinner. Dad, you're in it?
You want to go to a crazy farmer's market, go to the one in Norristown.
Dude, look who just can't shut up at the freaking compound. Professional BMX rider Jeff Dyson. Dude, this guy shreds a bowl like you've never seen, dude.
Not true. What's going on, man?
Humble, humble. What's your claim? Bike build?
Yes.
Damn, dude, this guy's got so many parts.
Everything.
This guy's pro BMXer and he's bringing his bike over here for me to tech on it. What a legend. Look at this thing. Ranger Danger, if you're watching, we could probably use some of your teching skills, but damn, you're just in North Carolina banging your hot lawyer girlfriend. We get it, we get it. So Jeff, give us the rundown on what frame we're building today.
Yeah, S&M ATF.
So, like, what's the deal with this? Is it Park Street?
Just like as normal as it gets.
So, what dimensions? 20, 21?
21-inch top tube.
21-inch top tube. Me
like
neither.
Normal,
They come up with too many dimensions now. We're about to build this S&M bike for professional bike rider Jeff Dyson. Check out his video parts on YouTube. First thing we're going to install here is the bottom bracket. Pretty simple. You just put these bearings in here with a press and it's on. Alright guys, we are bailing on the press and we're just hammering in. We just hammered that one in flawlessly, so we're going to show you guys now. He's greasing them up. A lot of grease. Bottom bracket is in. Just got the bottom bracket in, the cranks, the pedals, the whole deal, dude. It's on. Next move, headset. Alright guys, next step is the headset. Headset's can be a little complicated, but you just work your way through it. Next step, figuring out the chain. And this can be a real motherfucker. He got a really gnarly chain though. Just finished up with the chain. Now he's putting the back tire on, dude. Bike tech legends. This bike's put together other than just adjusting the headset, tightening everything down. But 2018 S&M build complete, boys. Can't wait to see the clips professional BMX rider Jeff's gonna throw at us. Hopefully he sends us some clips, but his sponsors get a little mad. S&M's pretty greedy.
Dude, that's crazy.
That's how the bike looks though. It's sick. What do you think your first jerk's gonna be on it? Flare or double whip?
Flare. Definitely.
Alright guys, I'm gonna sign out of the vlog today. It's been an epic day. We lived the dream. Hope you did. See you tomorrow. Woo!
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.